Hello everyone, this is Ronnie from onlinefreenotes.com, and in this video we are solving class 10 mathematics chapter 1 real number. So this is exercise 1.1 for some of you and 1.2 for some of you. So let's solve them. So we have the first sum, which is 26 and 91. So we will have to find out first LCM, and then we will have to find the HCF. And after we have found them, we will multiply these two, and our answer should be equal to the product of the numbers. Product of numbers, okay? So if the multiplication of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the numbers, then we will say that it is verified. Okay, so we have to complete 3 steps. First step, second step, and this is our third step. Okay, so let's solve it. 26, so let's do it using the table of 2. 2 1 times 2, 2 3 times 6. So we cannot factorize it anymore. Let's do the same thing with 91. Let's do it using the table of 7. 7 1 times 7, 8 9. So 2 is left, so 2 will go with 1. So 2 and 1, it becomes 21, and 7 3 times 21. So 26, the prime factors of 26 are 2 multiply 13. And the prime factors of 91 are 7 multiply 13. Okay. Now we will find out the LCM and HCF. Let's find out the LCM. When you are finding the LCM, take only what is common at first. So in both these numbers, we are seeing that 13 is common here also and here also. So we are taking 13, and after we have taken what is common, we will take what are not common. So in this case, this 2 and this 7 are not common, but we will take them anyway. And after we multiply them, we will have 182. Similarly, let's find out the HCF. So in the case of HCF, we will take only what is common, and we will leave out what are not common. Okay, so in this case, only 13 is common in both the cases. So we will take only 13 and leave out 2 and 7. Now let's verify. So let's write the formula, which is LCM multiply HCF equals product of two numbers. Yes, the LCM is 182 and HCF is 13. The product of the two numbers. So the two numbers that we have are 26 and 91. Okay, so if we multiply 182 and 13, we will get 2366, and if we multiply 26 and 91, we will also get 2366. So in this case, this number and this number is the same, so we can say that it is verified. So this is our answer.